Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Audi Q7. So from any screen, you've got telephone here, you've got menu there. So if we go into telephone, it says there search for a new mobile device, but in the bottom right hand corner here you've got settings. So the bottom right hand corner corresponds to this bottom right hand button there. So there you've selected settings, you've got telephone settings, Bluetooth and LAN settings. So down to Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth and you've there got Bluetooth. Now if you're having problems pairing, just make sure that that's set to on there, and then you've got Bluetooth audio player which you can select, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices, that's what we want. So we'll click on there and you see my phone, Barry's phone. Select Barry's phone and then the menu comes up, delete Bluetooth device, hands-free or audio player. So if I delete that, do you really want to delete? Yes. That's it, gone.